Hello everyone, my name is Diego Gerson Figueroa Santiago and I'm going to present my video blog about COVID-19 and the necessity of vaccination against it. I chose this theme because of its importance. It all started on November of 2019 when China reported the first case. The virus has been here for so long that 1.6 million people have died around the world. In Puerto Rico, the data from our Department of Health is 59,292 confirmed cases and 1,266 deaths. The pharmaceutical companies and governments around the world are in a desperate race to find the solution for this terrible disease. Few weeks ago, we heard about the Russians and how they started to vaccinate their population. The Pfizer company was the first that will impact us because they were authorized by the World Health Organization to use their vaccine. The great news came this week. A shipment of approximately 2.9 million doses will arrive to the United States over the next week. I found this news article in the New York Times. The decision is a victory for Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech, which began working on the vaccine 11 months ago. Vaccines typically take years to develop. The company's late-stage clinical trial, which enrolled nearly 44,000 people, was found to be 95% effective. Reference Thomas et al. 2020. Based on these two references and the need of education about the theme, I did my comic story, titled Vaccines Save Lives. It is the story of Mr. COVID and Mr. Pfizer. Mr. COVID is a very enthusiastic, planning his death trip around the world. As he goes by, people die because of negligence, ignoring health guides to avoid him. During his trip, he met Mr. Pfizer, and that was the turning point. Mr. Pfizer caught him and killed him. Mr. Pfizer, the vaccine, was made to stop him, but some people are still doubtful of the benefit of Mr. Pfizer, due to the spread of misinformation. The vaccine is our best chances of eradicating COVID-19. If we do not get vaccinated, the consequences will be terrible. During this day, there have been a public and social discussion about the benefits and the disadvantages of vaccination. I think we cannot miss time. Get vaccinated and against this enemy as soon as we can. This is my comic. Enjoy it. I am Mr. COVID. I was born in China, and my big desire is to travel around the world. I'm looking for neglected humans that do not protect themselves. I have provoked chaos and lots of death around the world, including Puerto Rico. My plan is to kill a lot of people. Hi, Mr. COVID. My name is Pfizer. I came to stop you. Nobody can stop me. I will stop you. Please get vaccinated against COVID. Thank you. Here is the references. Thank you for your attention. I hope that you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.